It's time to go back down memory lane, back when I owned that little cafe on the road to nowhere, and I was Dave, chef to the stars. One day, Georgie Henley came into my little place and asked me to make the best pasta dish she'd ever had. I said okay. I started by cooking up 1 pound of Italian sausage. And once we got the sausage all cooked, I got it out of the pot, drained it, and now it's time to deglaze with some nice red wine. And now we're going to add 1 small red onion that I chopped up. And we're going to let the onion cook for a couple of minutes till it starts to turn translucent. Alright, after a couple of minutes, you can see the onions are starting to get translucent. Time to add 6 ounces of tomato paste. This is pretty much the standard small can that you see in any grocery store whatsoever. And then you want to mix the tomato paste around till everything is well mixed together. Take about a minute or so. And then you want to add 3 cloves of minced garlic. And once again, give another couple of minutes to let everything come together. Again, if I didn't mention it, this is kind of over medium to slightly above medium-low heat. And then you want to add either 1 28-ounce can of tomato sauce or 2 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce. The reason I got the 2 15-ounce cans is, well, they were on sale and they were actually cheaper, the 2 of them, than the 1 big can. Now, this is optional, but I like pasta a little saucier than most. You don't have to, but you can add another 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. Again, that's just me. Then you want to add the meat back into the pot, along with a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and of course salt and pepper. If you notice a bit of tinniness in your sauce, add about a teaspoon of sugar just to take care of that. And then you want to take the heat from medium to about medium low to low and let this simmer for about 20 minutes or so. Alright, let's get the pasta cooked and let's finish this. Okay, so now I've added about 1 pound of Klusky egg noodles. It's a type of egg noodle that looks a lot like, almost like linguine, just kind of in bite-sized little pieces. If you can't find it, just use spaghetti, penne, linguine, any noodle will do. And then just stir this around. And again, about another 30 seconds to a minute. Let everything get to know one another. And now we're ready to serve. Alright, and the last thing I did before I served it to Miss Henley was give a good dusting of Parmesan cheese on top of it. And she absolutely loved it. Although, why she felt the need to eat it while reciting the Necronomicon with 3 of my waitresses, I will never know.